Progress.
Hello, my name is Laziza and today I will show you how I used some functions of Google Classroom. First, let's start with the first function, and it is changing the layout. To change layout, we need to go to the stream section and find customize button. So let's enter it. Here you can see like a button, select a photo. Let's use it. And here you can choose any photo. It is categorized into subjects, so you can choose according to your subject. Let's choose this picture, for example. Also, we can upload a photo, like our own photo as well. And also, we can change color of our classroom. So it can be blue or it can be pink. Let's choose purple one. The next thing we can do is invite our students. First, we can do it through the link. So copy invite link, and we can paste it in our Telegram Messenger or any other app. And also we can give them this code, and they will enter it. Let me show you how they will do it. So we go to the classes. In here we have a button plus. So let's do it, and we can join class. And here they will type their class code, which we will give them. Now let's get back to our class. Also, we can like add people through email address ourselves if we have their email. For example, we go to the people and we need to add one more student. So we enter this button and type their email address here. For example, I have already joined Umida, but let's show like this and then invite. Since she's already in my class, I can't invite her anymore. So um, now I will show you how to schedule a Google Meet. You will go to the classwork section, and there you will see a Google Calendar. Here we can choose any date. Let's choose 20th of November, for example, and let it be at 3 p.m. We can add a title, for example, meeting, and we need to add it and then save. So now we have our meeting at 3:30 p.m. On Sunday, November 20th. Next function that Google Classroom has is creating assignments and rubrics. Now let me show you this. Let's create an assignment. So we can create any assignment here. For example, let's do it essay. Here we will give them topic, for example, family. And we can also attach any kind of video or picture to enhance their imagination. For example, let's choose something from YouTube. Family. So now we have a lot of them. Let's choose this one. It looks colorful. So now we have it. Now that we have chosen like what they will do, now let's add a rubric. We can also reuse our previous rubrics. So I have already a lot of rubrics for essay and other tasks, but since we need to create new one, let's create it. Create rubric. So let me show you how to do it first. Let's do like what will we assess? Let's assess language. And we can show, for example, the maximum score for this section is 2 points. So we need to make it like 2 points, 1.5, 1, 0 and 5, and 0, for example. Here we can add what level they will have if they like answer to this point. Let's not do this one for now, and we can add description. For example, there are no grammar mistakes. Here we can say there are 2 or 1 grammar mistake. So this way we will finish it, and we can add other criterion as well. It can be anything, structure or citations maybe. So after we have done it, we save it. Since we didn't finish it, we don't have it. So let me delete it for now. Delete this criterion and this one as well. So now let's save it. Now we have a criteria which consists of like rubric which consists of only 1 criteria. We can also add our assignment to any topic. For example, I have topic essay assignments. Let's edit there. One more thing we can do is allocate like points for this one so the students knew how much they will receive. For example, let's do it this one 10 points. We can also choose which students will see it. For example, not everyone needs to know this. For example, let's choose Laila and Sivara. One more thing we can do, we can assign it right now, or we can assign it later. Like schedule it, and just we can write. For example, let's do it tomorrow, and see. So like this. Now I have assigned this one. I showed how to use different score for different tasks. We just go to any of them. Let me show on the ones which I have already done. Like these are not assignments. We need assignment. For example, this one. I did it. Here we have points. For example, I've done like 10 points. Let's make it 5 points for this one. So like this. And that's it. We saved it. So that's it. Now I will show you how to create this in Google Classroom. We need again to create and go to assignments. We go to create and find forms. Let's do this one, like weather. Let our topic be weather. And the question will be, what's the weather like today? So I have a question. Now we will have some answers. For example, we know what the weather is like today. It is hot, and it is not cold or windy because it is hot and there is no wind. In order to make this a quiz, we need to go to the settings and go like this, make it a quiz. So now we have an answer key. We go there and choose the correct answer. And we can allocate any number of points for one correct answer. So let's make it 2 points. Now we have it and we can send it. We can add editors here. We can send it to someone, but let's do. We need a mail. We don't need to send it then. So it will be just here. We go here and it already is there. It is saved automatically. And now that we created the quiz, let's assign it. Quiz. I have assigned it now. Now let me show you how to make announcements. So here we have like announce something to your class. So we go there and write anything. For example, hi everyone. And we can also add pictures, links, or YouTube videos here as well, or maybe some kind of presentation. We can also post it right now or post it later. Let me show you how to add videos. For example, cats. I don't know for now. Let's make it cats. Cute ones to create a good mood for students. Let's make it visible only to, I don't know, for example, Sivara. And post it later, schedule it for 18th of November, 8 a.m. So now it's scheduled and it will be there. So I have here scheduled announcements. They will come on their time. Now let me show you how to add materials. Materials we can add here. You can see in the classwork section, materials. And it can be anything, link, YouTube video, or anything else. Let's again choose these same cats, for example. Video. And then let's make it topic cats and post it. So this is how we add materials. I have already added some materials, so a lot of them actually. And now I will show how to evaluate our students. I have already put all marks here to different students, but let me show you how I did it. We can add their points after they have sent their assignment, how they did it, or we can add it because, for example, they did it in a meeting and they didn't send anything. We just need to add a point for them. So we will go just like here and put, for example, out of 10, Sivara earned 9, for example. And now it became a draft. In order for her to receive this point, we need to go into these 3 buttons and return it to her. So return. Here we can also add comment. For example, great job. And now she will be the only one who will receive this comment. It is her personal comment. For example, to Laila, we will put 8 and send it to her like this. Now let me show you how to comment on writing assignments. For example, Stivara gave assignment essay. So here it is. We will just go there, view submission. So here is her essay. Here we have our rubric. So I put her maximum score because her essay is amazing, as you can see. Here I can send her any messages like improve your vocabulary, for example, so that she would improve her vocabulary. And she will be the only one, again, who will see it because it's her personal. We can also use comment bank. So I already have 3 comments. For example, I can say that these 2 words have spelling mistakes. I add comments I can use from back. We just copy it and paste it. So now she will see that she has this mistake comment. Just like this, now we have it. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.